Mom, is the Pope Catholic?
Oliver, not today, ha?
I'm
Not
just
today.
asking a question. Mom, if up is down up?
Oliver, ha? Disappear.
I'm just asking
Disappear.
a question. Mom, is water dry?
Dry pa? Dry pa ba, ha? Idiot?
Mom, if you're my mom, who's my mother?
Utang ina ka, hindi ako. Pasensya ka na.
Mom, is she cooking?
She's golfing. She's golfing.
If I'm gay, then why am I standing straight?
Hindi baluktutin mo yung sarili mo. Tang ina.
What the fuck? You are so dramatic.
Water.
Coffee! Mom, they want to know if I was adopted.
Sa laki mong yan, 24 oras kitang inire. Idiot, walang epidural. In English, I carried you for 9 years.
That's not
Okay.
That's
Wait.
not possible. Is America in California?
No copy, no talk, please. Oliver,
Mom, is flour and sugar the same but in different texture?
Oliver, let me moist first. Let me moist first,
Just
please.
asking a question.
Idiot,
Is the refrigerator related to the alligator, Mother?
vegan.
I'm not vegan. I eat meat, actually.
Tarantado, lumayas ka rito.
Stop. If a pair of shoes loses a pair, did they break up?
Nek mo, kainin mo yan sapatos.
Does a Korean drama make you Korean?
Hindi, hapon.
Mom, if the pizza is round, then how come the box is square?
If you have a brain, why isn't it working? Idiot, tarantado. Return your degree.
Mom, if the hot dog was put in a freezer, is it called cold dog?
Mukha kang hotdog.
But wait, if I'm a hot dog, then that means I'm a snack.
Hindi mo ako titignan.
Mom,
Oh,
I have a girlfriend and I'm moving out.
paano mangyayari yun? You're gay. Saan ako titira? Idiot ka? Anong gagawin mo sa akin? Sasama mo ko kahit saan ka pumunta. Tadong to. Pasong bukas.
Closing ako dito 11.
Gusto mo magbaon?
Ayoko nga.
Hindi, ito na eh. Ginawa na kita eh.
Ayoko
Lalagay
nga.
sa rep. Ha?
Ayoko nga.
Lalagay ko. May pasok ako bukas?
Meron nga 3 to 11 closing.
Gusto mo magbaon?
Ayoko nga.
Hindi, nandaan na kita eh. Lalagay ko sa rep ha?
Oh my-
Pasok ako bukas?
Meron nga 3 to 11.
Gusto mo magbaon?
Ayoko nga.
Ay, ginawa na kita ng baon. Lalagay ko sa rep
Oh
ha?
my God. Ako.
Paul, may pasok ako bukas?
Oh my God. Leave me
Teka,
alone.
teka.
No.
Gusto mo magbaon?
Wala. Ayoko ma. No.
Lalagay.
I don't want.
Say Coca-Cola without your lips touching. Without it touching.
Hindi ko.
But without it touching.
Ah.
But without it touching. Say it normally.
Tang ina mo.
But say it naturally. Say it like you're saying it. No, say it naturally.
Coca-Cola.
But did your lips touch when you said it?
Coca-Cola. Hindi. Idiot!
Dumbass! You're the idiot!